cameraman took the camera off me. He gonna get fired, y'all.
Whatever.
I'm just saying.
I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Todo mundo me moolah la, yeah.
That's my way. Do it like this. Don't be scared.
Listen. Oh, hi, it's you. Come on in. Step into our room. Come on, let me show you around. You know, I always wanted to do this like the YouTubers do, so I'm doing it for you guys. So come on this way. We got the little bathroom. So here you got your sink area. You got your little vanity mirror. Look, they got the little up shelf. You can see paper towels, all that stuff. Oh, ain't nothing pretty under here but some towels. We had to be nosy. You got some artwork right here. Isn't that pretty, the artwork? Like what we just drove through, some rain. Then they got the little watering room, as they like to call it, and this little video, shower, I'm just saying. So now, right behind us here, we have a closet. Let's see what's in there. Got your ironing board, your extra cover. Got all of that. So let's come on in. Look at the room. Let's start over here with the sitting area. This is so cute. Got your cute little wooden table. Got your little ottomans here, your little chairs. Let's sit down and see how I feel. Ain't this cute? Okay. And over here you got your lamps. Come on this way, cameraman. We got some artwork here they got on the wall. And actually it looks like it says Aquarium Building Chicago, but it looks like the Regency building itself. So yeah. So let's come on this way. So the first thing you can do and see here is you got your bed with this pretty blue background. You got your nightstands and nice modern lamps. And of course we came in here and jacked up the heat. You got your ottoman at the end of the bed. You got your nice little entertainment console, water. Let's see what's in these. Oh, they don't open, y'all. They fooled us. They here for decorations. Oh, the drawers open, but the cabinet stuff. It's a nice TV and everything. Then over here, we have our nice little work table. You want to cure it, anything you need like that. And we have a panoramic view of the highway. Yeah, and some trees. So come on over this way. We're gonna see what's outside these windows. That's, look, what is it? Again, the highway. So we get to see the highway again in the parking lot. But hey, it's still a nice room overall. Didn't get the best view, but it's all right. I guess if it wasn't rainy, it'd probably be good. My cameraman took the camera off me. He gonna get fired, y'all. I'm just saying. But here's our room, so enjoy. I'm gonna post it so other people want to come here and say y'all actually see what it looks like. Because on the website they make it look bigger than what it is. But hey, it's still nice. Bye.
I just wanna make the